Amazon Black Friday is here, and it's time to upgrade your home for less. Discover unbeatable deals on everything from furniture and decor to appliances and cleaning essentials. These discounts are too good to miss whether you're refreshing your living space or preparing for the holidays. Shop now and give your home the upgrade it deserves while the deals last. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description box below. Hatch Restore 2 Sunrise Alarm Clock was $170, now $145. Transform your mornings with this all-in-one sunrise alarm clock that combines gentle light therapy and soothing soundscapes. Perfect for establishing a better sleep routine and waking up energized every day. Google Nest Doorbell, wired 2nd Gen, was $180, now $100. Keep your home secure and connected with this advanced wired doorbell. It features crisp HD video, instant motion alerts, and seamless integration with your Google ecosystem for ultimate convenience. Nectar Classic Mattress Queen was $900, now $552. Experience unmatched comfort and support with this premium queen mattress. Its adaptive memory foam contours to your body, providing restful sleep night after night. Orange Factory Crisscross Desk Chair, now $100. Upgrade your workspace with this stylish and ergonomic desk chair. The unique crisscross design adds flair, while the cushioned seat ensures lasting comfort for long work hours. Umbra Bellwood Bar Cart was $181, now $131. Elevate your hosting game with this sleek and functional bar cart. Its modern design and spacious shelves make it perfect for serving drinks or organizing your kitchen essentials. Von Grossig Convertible Sectional Sofa was $350, now $290. This versatile sectional sofa creates the perfect cozy corner in your living space. Its compact design and reversible chaise make it ideal for any room layout. Choo Choo Mission Coffee Table, now $112. This sturdy and stylish coffee table will add a touch of classic charm to your living room. Its functional design provides space for decor, books, and more. Urban Shop Super Soft Faux Fur Saucer Chair was $55, now $44. Relax in style with this plush faux fur saucer chair. Lightweight yet durable, it's perfect for lounging, reading, or adding a cozy vibe to any room. Aliwi Queen Size Platform Bed Frame was $250, now $148. Sleep in style with this sturdy and elegant platform bed frame. The minimalist design complements any decor, while the durable build ensures long-lasting support. Lufea White Computer Desk was $130, now $80. Boost your productivity with this sleek and functional computer desk. Its spacious surface and modern design make it a great addition to your home office. Loloi Amber Lewis Georgie Collection Area Rug was $389, now $149. Transform your space with this stunning area rug featuring timeless patterns and vibrant colors. It's soft, durable, and perfect for adding warmth to any room. Dumo Storage Dresser was $52, now $40. Organize your space in style with this compact and versatile storage dresser. Perfect for bedrooms or closets, it combines functionality with a clean, modern look. Samsung 55-inch The Frame was $1,498, now $898. Redefine your entertainment experience with this stunning TV that doubles as a work of art. Its slim profile and customizable frame blend seamlessly into your decor. Live Wood Lift Top Coffee Table was $130, now $85. Maximize your living room functionality with this lift top coffee table. It features hidden storage and a versatile design perfect for working or dining from your couch. Milani Iconic Queen Sheet Set was $54, now $34 with Prime. Upgrade your bedding with these silky, soft, durable sheets that offer ultimate comfort and style. They're wrinkle-resistant and perfect for a cozy night's sleep. National Tree Company Carolina Pine Christmas Tree was $54, now $34. Bring holiday cheer into your home with this realistic and easy-to-assemble Christmas tree. Its full, lush branches are perfect for all your festive decorations. Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Upholstery Cleaner was $124, now $56. Tackle tough stains and spills with ease using this portable upholstery cleaner. Ideal for carpets, furniture, and car interiors, it's a must-have for quick cleanups. New Wallpaper X Social Peel and Stick Wallpaper was $50, now $26. Revamp your walls with this trendy, easy-to-apply peel and stick wallpaper. Perfect for renters or quick room makeovers without the commitment of permanent wallpaper. LK Tarte Mid-Century Modern TV Stand was $269, now $196. Enhance your living room aesthetic with this sleek mid-century modern TV stand. It offers ample storage and timeless style, perfect for organizing your entertainment setup. Bright Portable LED Table Lamp was $40, now $29. Add a touch of elegance to any space with this portable LED table lamp. Featuring adjustable brightness and a sleek design, it's perfect for desks, nightstands, or outdoor use. Baskal Tall Plant Stand Indoor with Grow Light was $250, now $150. Showcase your plants in style with this tall plant stand featuring an integrated grow light. It's perfect for nurturing greenery while adding a decorative touch to your space. Sound Asleep Dream Series Luxury Air Mattress was $180, now $150. Enjoy a luxurious sleep experience anywhere with this top-rated air mattress. Its built-in pump ensures quick inflation, and the durable design provides superior comfort. Beckham Hotel Collection Bed Pillows, queen-size set of 2, was $80, now $47. Upgrade your sleep setup with these plush, hotel-quality pillows. They're hypoallergenic, supportive, and perfect for a rejuvenating night's rest. Dyson V11 Origin Cordless Vacuum Cleaner was $570, now $350. Make cleaning a breeze with this powerful and lightweight cordless vacuum. Its advanced suction technology and long battery life tackle dirt on any surface. Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum AV2511AE was $600, now $300. Effortlessly maintain a clean home with this intelligent robot vacuum. It features powerful suction, AI navigation, and self-emptying capabilities for ultimate convenience. Shark Steam and Scrub was $160, now $100. Deep clean and sanitize your floors with this versatile steam mop. It combines powerful scrubbing action with steam cleaning for a spotless, germ-free finish. Medea Cube Dehumidifier, 20 pint, was $190, now $165. Keep your home fresh and dry with this compact, high-performance dehumidifier. Its innovative design saves space while effectively reducing moisture levels. Tempur-Pedic Temper Adapt Plus Mattress Topper was $500, now $250. Transform your mattress with this luxurious Tempur-Pedic Topper. Designed for superior comfort and pressure relief, it ensures a restful, rejuvenating sleep. Greenworks 60-volt cordless lawnmower was $600, now $474. Make lawn care easy with this powerful, eco-friendly cordless mower. It delivers a clean, precise cut without the hassle of gas or cords. Grand Patio Premium Frame Patio Bistro Set was $120, now $96. Create a cozy outdoor retreat with this stylish bistro set. Its durable design and compact size make it perfect for patios, balconies, or gardens. That's a wrap on Amazon's incredible Black Friday home deals. Don't wait too long. These discounts won't last forever. Whether you're upgrading your space or snagging gifts, now is the perfect time to shop and save big. Happy shopping, and we'll see you in the next one.